Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to upgrade seats on WestJet. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to westjet.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to WestJet if you already do not have a profile. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So here we have the flights, vacation, and offers, and book a flight where you can go and actually book your own flight here. In the top right corner, we have everything about your profile, where you can go and click on view account to view your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and upgrade seats on WestJet. So guys, upgrades are available for selection, destinations, and scheduled flights that are operated by WestJet. To see if your flight is legible, enter your reservation code and the last name in the fields provided on the upgrade page. So you have to put your full name and full surname in the upgrade page. Or you can also go and download the WestJet app to view your eligibility in the Manage Trip section. So you can go to the Manage Trip section and see if you're eligible for that. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.